Hey, welcome back, my Budget Tech fans. Today I got something really special for you. If you're looking to create products, Payhip.com. I will leave the link down in the description below. You can sell digital downloads, courses, coaching, and more all in one platform. Their pricing, we'll hurry up and get to that right now for you. Just get right to it. It's free forever with a 5% transaction fee off every sale that you make. You can go the plus for $29 a month and only a 2% transaction fee, or you can go pro for $100 a month with no transaction fees. You still will have the transaction fees from Stripe and PayPal, just so you know that. But you can set up your stores, digital downloads, online courses, memberships, physical products, your store your way, customize it. I stumbled across this because I was looking for a way to do my store off my music channel, Beats by Chaz. You can control everything you put on there. You set your own prices, your own designs. As you can see here, you can even put in here a video from YouTube that highlights what it is you're selling, an About Me section.
Okay, let's just move on.
More information. I mean, you can set the store up any way you want to, really. And for 5% per sale, that's not that bad. Especially compared to some of the other sites that charge you, a lot. A ridiculous amount of money. Yeah, I wanted to pass this on to you guys. It's a great deal. Especially if you're trying to set up your own store. You don't have a lot of money to get started with, but you want to get your products out there and have links for somebody to be able to buy them. Here you go. Hopefully this video helps you save some money. If it does, let me know in the comments down below. I will actually leave a link to you from my Beats by Chaz store, just in case you want to check it out. Oh, yeah. Okay, I will make sure and leave a referral link down below that you can click on. Like I said, it's free. You can come on here and create your own custom web page. They handle everything, even the VAT stuff where they help with the pay. You don't have to report all that stuff. They handle all that for you. The buttons are set up. Everything's good to go. There's tutorials that teach you how to do everything from offer discounts to your customers to how to get paid, how to set up email responses. It's definitely worth the money. The 5% you have to pay per sale, it's not that big of a deal.
Greasy. We back in business.
Hi, thanks so much for watching the video. Hopefully it saved you a buck or two. Hey, for more great budget tech videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new, and click those boxes above if you want to see more good deals like this. I'll see you guys in the next video.